early Christmas gift from Liz. She said I could open it. Oh, wow. Wow. Liz jumped on my Amazon list. She jumped on my Amazon list. Merry Christmas, sending lots of love and warm hugs from Elizabeth. Ninja coffee maker.
Ooh, nice.
Just like I wanted. It was a top thing on my list. That's how I know she jumped on it. Before anybody else did. Good going. Granny's opening up a gift from Liz. For Christmas. I'm going to go get a knife. This one's got a lot of tape on it.
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Watch me while I play games.
I'm videotaping Granny right now.
To
And then I
me.
will. Just give me a few minutes.
Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to Granny. Yay! She got a coffee maker.
Is your birthday today?
No, it's Christmas. It's an early Christmas for Granny.
I thought it was your birthday.
No, it's not quite Christmas yet. Not quite. Grandpa will be with you in just a moment. This is what Granny wanted too for Christmas. It's on her list. Lucy. I'm calling Lucy Liz. I'm calling Lucy Liz. Ninja coffee maker.
Ninja coffee maker.
Ninja.
Ninja.
Oh yeah. Granny's about to get a good old cup of coffee.
Look what kind of coffee she got.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that.
That's professional, Granny.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And it's a timer. Guess what? We don't have to push the buttons anymore, right? Once we get it programmed, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you, Liz. It don't matter. Look at
Holy cow, that was my face.
stepped it up. Thank you, Liz. Thank you. I'm gonna love it. So I got a new coffee maker for Christmas. It's early Christmas too. A ninja from my daughter Liz in Tennessee. I'm going to unbox it. I love that boy. It's huge. It's going to be replacing a, what is it? I can't see. Black & Decker. Black & Decker. That Black & Decker has got nothing on this boy, I'll tell you what. Let's set up a Ninja coffee maker. Big sucker. It's a 12-cup coffee. 12-cup coffee. 1 cup of coffee. Okay. Yeah. All kinds of things that are taped together. It comes with that. Comes with that. Gosh. Taped. It's taped. Measuring spoon. Scoop and come with a basket of coffee. That way, you don't have to use filters. Well, yeah, you can use filters, cone filters. Or you can use this. These things I never understood, because if you use these, then how do you get the coffee out? You rinse it. If you rinse it, then all the coffee grounds end up in the coffee in the sink. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, I'm pretty sure all these pieces need to be washed. I was trying to open this up just by putting my finger in here and open it up, and look, it's got a handy dandy little locking mechanism. So, gotta switch Okay, so everything had to be washed by hand with warm soapy water and a soft cloth. So I have this is, I imagine this is the basket that you can use without a filter. And then the basket, it holds it, the lid to the coffee pot, and this is a substantial coffee pot. Look at 12 cups. I think I typically, where's the measuring at? Lord have mercy. There's no numbers on the pot. That's just sort of strange. Okay, well we'll come back to that. The reservoir and the reservoir lid. I have to dry it all. Make sure everything is nice and dry. And I wonder where the hell are the numbers at? Numbers on here? Okay, well there's numbers on that. Let's see. Place the empty carafe on the base and prime the system by running a full carafe on classic brew with water only. After the cycle is complete, discard the water. Okay, so I'm just going to press brew. Okay, brew. Let me see. Is it on? Oh, that turned power button. So there's a power button and then brew. Okay, power button and then brew. Okay, we're in bed. That is really nice. That's going to be really, really nice. Coming from this one over here. Look at this Black & Decker. I don't even know how long I've had this. It's the only coffee pot that I remember having aside from the Keurig. So it is about to go. Had to get rid of the Keurig because I got tired of making just one cup of coffee at a time. I drink almost a whole pot of coffee, and that's not good. That's not a good idea. Drink a whole pot of coffee, and that's too dang much. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. Yes. While I'm on the subject really quick about cleaning stuff, because I washed all these cups over here by hand. Isaiah, I noticed, has not been using his Yeti cup, just this big black one. And I think I know why, because the Yeti, it won't open. See how it just snaps shut? It's easy to snap shut, but for some reason it won't go back. Now these are just magnets. I realize it. I was playing around with it. It's just a magnet. So if you open it up and push that back and then put the magnet back on, you can drink from it. It's open. And then you can close it as well. Simple. But you can't open it. I don't understand why you can't open it. You can't open it. You can't move it from the inside. Trying to push it back. Can't move it from the inside. Can't move it from the outside. It makes no sense. You can take the lid off to get a drink. So you can take the lid off, push it back to get a drink. Drink till the cows come home. Close it up. But you can't move it back. Makes no sense to me. I'm going to have to Google it and find out what the hell's going on. Okay, I'm going to give Lucy a milk bone so that she doesn't want to carry that toy outside. Back up, back up, back. Okay, here we go. Let's sit for the milk bone, Lucy. Here you go, girl. There you go. Maybe we can keep this toy inside for a little while. Yeah, because they're all outside in the yard. She's got quite a collection out there so far. And we got coffee. My new coffee maker. The Ninja. Wow, it sure does look shiny. Shiny and nice. What? Ever and ever. Yeah, like I said, reservoir does have to be filled every night, especially if I'm going to make such a big pot of coffee. What? What? I'm going to use my handy dandy new little ceramic mug from Nova Ceramics. Yes. What? What do you want me to say? Let me pour my coffee. Let me pour my coffee. I gotta take it with me. I have to go pick up some cat boxes this morning. They're free. Freebies for the cats. Yeah. This. This. Wow. Did it one-handed. One-handed. Thank you, Liz, for my new coffee maker. I came down to coffee already done this morning at 10 o'clock. It was set to go to brew at 10 o'clock. No coming downstairs and having to push the button for the coffee maker and then waiting for the coffee to get done.